In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this short math problem easy and fast using the T84 plus Civil Edition Scientific Calculator in seconds. So guys, the question is under partial fraction. Let's get started. The question says, which expression is equivalent to this? Alright, so the very first thing to do is to reset the calculator as usual. So to reset, to put in the default mode, press second, this plus button, full instruction, press 7, press 1 for all 1, press 2, and it resets. Okay, we are good to go. Now the next thing to do will be to store a value. We are going to use to simplify the question and also use it to simplify the option to get the answer. So I highly recommend 2 when you do with partial fraction to be on the safer side. So we're going to store 2. We press 2, then want to store it as x. You after pressing 2, press the store button, press this button for x to come out, then press enter. 2 will be stored as x. So let's use this store value to evaluate the question. So it's in fraction, press math, go to number, scroll up under this fraction icon, then we have the question, right? 4 over 4x, the button for x, minus 5. Alright, then come over to this place, we have minus a fraction again, press math, number, scroll up this, we have 1 over x plus 1. So that's it. This is the question we have here. Let's press enter to see the output. The output is 1. Okay, so right now we're going to evaluate the options or simplify the options with the same stored value, which is 2, to see the one that gives us an output of 1. And the one that gives us 1 will be the answer. So let's begin with option A. Okay, it's as simple as this, guys. Go back to math, number, this fraction symbol. Okay, so we have option A, 9 over, we have in brackets x plus 1. Alright, we have next bracket 4x minus 5. So that's it, guys. We're good to go. Press equal to see the output 1. So this option A gives us 1 as output. It shows that this is the right answer. Feel free to check option B, C and D. Right now you won't get 1 as the output. So right now the correct answer is 1. Okay, so because of time I won't check other option, but I know that you won't get 1. The right answer is option A. So hope you learned something interesting from the video. This basically you can deal this kind of problems, solve this kind of partial fraction problem with this calculator for your start maths. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. So tell me how you feel for what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I have talked about in the video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I will sure to give you a response. Also ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking the join button. You're getting more information on how to solve similar start math problems you'll be meeting. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to reset once you're done, press second, this plus button, full instructions, press 7, press 1 and press 2. So that's it. Thanks for watching.